Alright guys, today I wanted to do a quick unboxing and review on my new SD card reader for iPhone or iPad. So let's go ahead and take a look. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending this out for review. So check it out. So if you wanted to plug in your iPhone to actually read and move stuff over from your iPhone to an SD card, this is what you would use. And what's cool is it does have the Type-C or the lightning adapter. So if you have like the, which I think is like 14 and below, still has the lightning. Mine still has the lightning, but my iPad has the Type-C on it. So let's go ahead and use it and see how it actually works. So I'll go ahead and plug it in. Let me get my SD card right here. Plugs right in. It does work up to 2 terabytes, so more than enough space. Go ahead and plug it in. So in order to go ahead and get started, we'll go ahead and go to like photos. And we'll just select some right here, like these about here, go here, and then we hit save files. And then I don't have a name on it, but we'll go ahead and save it to this one right here because I already know this is no name. That DCIM is where I have some of the photos as well. I'll hit save. And as you can see, it's gonna go ahead and start moving them over. And what's also cool is if you have just photos on here that you were just trying to get onto your iPhone, I'll show you how to do that as well. There's actually some photos on here from my digital camera. So let's see if I can multitask on here. Yep, Nikon. So it's gonna go ahead and load those photos. So now go ahead and click this one. Yep, just like a photo of Vegas there. So I thought that was pretty neat as well. So it's very easy to transfer to or transfer from. Like I said, my iPhone's actually pretty full right now, so I'll probably start moving a lot of the items over here. So if you're looking for a dongle that can support both Lightning and Type-C devices, this one's gonna do all that for you. So go ahead and get you this one. I'm gonna leave that link down below.